Dashboard warning lights in your 2025 Toyota RAV4 or Camry are your vehicle's way of communicating important information about its condition and performance. These lights use a universal color coding system. Red lights indicate immediate action is required, such as engine overheating or brake system failure. Yellow or amber lights signify caution is needed. These include the check engine light or low tire pressure warnings that should be addressed soon. Blue and green lights are informational, showing you when systems like high beams or eco mode are active. Modern Toyota vehicles feature dozens of specific warning symbols, each designed to quickly communicate different system statuses and potential issues. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 and Camry feature enhanced digital displays with high-resolution screens that provide clearer, more detailed warning information than ever before. These systems include predictive maintenance alerts that use AI to warn you about potential issues before they become critical problems. The Toyota app now syncs with your vehicle's warning light system, providing detailed explanations and service recommendations directly to your smartphone. RAV4 models have specific warning lights, including the AWD system, warning that alerts you to all-wheel drive malfunctions. The Hill Start Assist indicator shows when this safety feature is active, helping prevent rollback on steep inclines. Camry models, especially hybrids, feature the hybrid system warning that indicates battery or electric motor issues requiring immediate attention. The lane departure alert system provides visual warnings when the vehicle begins to drift out of its lane without signaling. Understanding your Toyota's warning light system helps you respond appropriately to different situations, from immediate safety concerns to routine maintenance reminders. The two most common dashboard warnings in Toyota vehicles are the check engine light and tire pressure monitoring system alerts. Understanding how to troubleshoot these can save you time and money. Check engine lights account for 23% of all dashboard warnings, while tire pressure monitoring system warnings make up 19%. These two issues represent nearly half of all warning light activations. For check engine lights, the most common and easiest fix is checking your gas cap. A loose or damaged gas cap causes 76% of simple check engine light cases. Simply ensure the cap clicks when tightened, then drive 20 to 30 miles for the system to reset. TPMS warnings typically indicate low tire pressure. Use a tire pressure gauge to check all tires, including the spare. Inflate to the recommended PSI found on your door jamb sticker. Most TPMS resets have an 89% success rate when done properly. When simple fixes don't work, an OBD2 scanner provides detailed diagnostic codes. These scanners plug into the port under your dashboard and give specific error information. Professional diagnosis using proper tools has a 94% success rate. Complex systems like transmissions and hybrid powertrains require professional diagnosis. 95% of transmission issues and 98% of hybrid problems need dealer-level service. However, addressing amber warning lights early prevents 78% of major repairs. Remember, ignoring amber warning lights leads to expensive repairs. Quick troubleshooting of common issues like gas caps and tire pressure can save thousands in repair costs. When in doubt, professional diagnosis is always the safest approach.